Hello. I'm going to teach you the trim function. The trim function removes spaces from the beginning and the end of whatever's inside a cell. Now in here, it doesn't look like there's much of an issue. So if I use functions like left, right, mid, len, those kinds of functions, which are all text specific or length specific, from the looks of this, it looks normal. But if I put an underline, look how many extra spaces there are. And I'm going to change this to consoles, which is my favorite. Look how many extra spaces. So this is going to screw you up when you try and do position. So if I go left 4, it's not going to grab Alex. It's going to grab like maybe that part. And I'm going to be confused why. For a list of 5, 10, 30, it's not going to be an issue. You'll be able to spot the errors. But if you're an analyst and you have 10,000, 100,000, several million, you can't go visually and find these all. So you need some way to apply the rule to everything. So this is where the trim function comes in. So let me show you how it works. If I go equals trim and I grab that, and now I'm going to put the same formatting on this, right? You'll notice that there is no more spaces, right? If I do the rest of them, it removes the spaces from the beginning and the end. So let's do that. For the other one, I'll type it out again. So trim, Peterson. All right. Let's apply the same formatting. Okay. And removes the spaces. Very, very simple. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.